No, she need to be sorry. Hey everyone. I'm a little tired today. Um, but as I was driving through my neighborhood, it was a sign up saying in the middle of the sled there was a meeting for violence and gang members. It shouldn't be that the neighborhood gets so bad to the point where they need to have a meeting for that special occasion. That's ridiculous. And I can admit where I live at, it's been so many robberies and nonsense going on. And I guess it's gotten so bad to the point where they need to have a meeting. Like seriously, um, banks, CVS, food places been robbed and broken into. It's ridiculous. Like they don't have nothing better to do with their lives. My thing is, if you don't have anything to do, go read a book. Seriously, go read a book. Go do some volunteer work. Do something because you just sitting around trying to figure out ways to rob a place is ridiculous. But anyhow, here's the anyhow, that's what's been going on around the neighborhood. Just thought I would share. And if you have any similar experiences in your neighborhood, leave comments. Let me know.